Hello, welcome to ClickPaas training course. In this lesson, we will meet with ClickPaas systems and discuss what we can do with them. First of all, you should enter your mobile phone and password to log in your account. When you click the first bar here, there will be 4 systems that you can choose to log in. Enterprise Admin is where you can manage your members and build your enterprise structure. Both Apps Admin and SaaS Admin can manage the tenant under the enterprise and configure it. And the SaaS Admin is more like a template manufacturer. All the configuration in SaaS Admin could be inherited in Apps Admin. Eventually, all of this configuration will be shown as table or card at application. So, as a user, we usually use Enterprise Admin and Application Admin to manage the tenant and view the final effect at application. Let's start with the Enterprise Admin. There is a navigation bar on the left. Click the Enterprise information. We could fill in the enterprise information there. And then click the organization members. We could add a sub-organization in organization structure. Now, click the Add button on the right. Choose Parent Organization, Anna. Enter the organization name, IT Department, and the code IT. Choose organization type, department, and then save it. Next, let's go to Apps Admin. Click Application Configuration. Go to Basic Configuration, and then click Manage Permissions, User Permission. Now you could see the organization and departments that we added before. After that, scroll down to the Model Designer. We could see the business models. Each business entity is abstracted into a model there. A model represents an object. For example, the basic object employee over here is corresponding to the employee in our company. The object department is actually the department in our company, and we could view their relationships through these connects visually. Let's back to the navigation bar. Click Object Manager. Object Manager is where I can create objects. Objects are used to store data, and we could view all objects by default. Here we are going to click its subcategory Video and find the object Employee, and click it. Then you will see a navigation bar on the left. Click Fields and Relations. You could see all the fields under this object. Fields are attributes of an object which could also carry business data. Then scroll down. We could see the page settings such as buttons, page layout, view list, cards, and so on. Our object and fields will be shown on page at application. Now we are going to focus on the page layout. Take Edit Page as an example. You could customize the page like this through components on the left. Let's return to the previous page. You could also set other functions such as validation rules, action flow, approval, and so on. And then let's go to Application. Click the Shuffle button. Choose Application. Click Menu Management button and find the employee. This menu is the object we created at Apps Admin, and the header fields are also the fields we created at Apps Admin. Click one of the name. We will see the details page of this person. This is also we set at Apps Admin. Now, I think you could understand how Apps Admin works and controls the application. Okay, let's stop here. See you next time.